I followed my mistake diary, which helped me in my last-minute preparation and enhanced my score in the JEE exams. Hi, I'm Jahnaabi Roy. I'm a student of 4-year classroom program upgraded to a 2-year integrated school program at Fiitjee Mumbai. I have secured an All India rank of 385 in JEE Advanced 2022. I have also secured a rank of 126 in JEE Mains and a rank of 475 in KVPY SX stream. Maths and science have always fascinated me since childhood. I have keen interest in exploring the science of astronomy, so engineering would provide me with the platform towards my goal. Going to IIT provides us with a stage where brilliant minds work in tandem and come up with innovative solutions to daily life problems. This motivated me to take up the JEE Advanced exam. I came to know about Fiitjee from my cousin brother, who is currently studying Masters in Computer Science in USA. He was also a student in Fiitjee. Given the online pedagogy during the pandemic, my secret ingredients were self-discipline and rigorous practice, which helped me keep my focus on my goals. I also prepared a mistake diary where I recorded all my mistakes in the tests I attempted. I used to make a lot of silly mistakes in my exams, which would lead to negative marking. For this, I followed my mistake diary, which helped me in my last-minute preparation and enhanced my score in the JEE exams. Fiitjee's well-structured and intensive routine of tests helped me gauge my level of preparation. FCATs and FACE tests provided us with short-term goals. AITS provided us with the opportunity to compete with students all across the country and crack questions of varying difficulties. Attempting these tests gave me rigorous practice and improved my exam temperament. I would like to extend my sincere gratitude to my parents, my teachers, and the system at Fiitjee for being a strong support system throughout my preparation. A huge thank you to all of them.